Hello, children. I am here again for you. Today, I will revise the lesson number 10, some other useful services. Okay, every neighborhood has a number of services. So, we have read about schools, places of worship, places of recreation, and the post office, right? But there are some other useful services too in our neighborhood. We will revise that. So, what are the other useful services? Police station and hospital. You can see here police station. It is also very important service. It is police station is there in every neighborhood. It has a number of policemen. Okay, how does a policeman help us? The policeman helps us a lot. Okay, they keep our lives and belongings safe. Policeman protects the people from bad characters, from the bad people. Who are the bad people, children? Bad people who steal our belongings. Okay, he also controls the traffic at the busy road crossings. You have seen a traffic police. You will see at every signals there is a policeman who is called traffic policeman because he controls the traffic. Policeman helps us in many other ways. Okay, now next is hospital. A hospital is also another useful service in our neighborhood. Why do people go to the hospital? For their treatment when they fall sick. Okay, when people are sick, they are taken to the hospital. There are doctors and nurses in a hospital. Yes, the doctors, what do doctors do? What and the doctors examine the patients. They examine first and afterwards they give them medicines. Okay, and what do nurses do for us? The nurses look after the patients. Okay, but in hospital also there are division of different sections. There are different sections like patient's room is there, emergency room is there, then ICU is there. Where are serious patients kept? They are kept in ICU. Okay, intensive care unit. Every hospital has some beds. Yes, indoor patients, they are seriously ill and they need more care, so they are kept in these beds. That means they are hospitalized. They are sent home only when they get well. But outdoor patients, they go home immediately after getting the medicines. That means they come to hospital for their treatment or some sort of diagnosis. After that, they go home immediately when they get the medicines. They are called outdoor patients. And serious patients are kept in an intensive care unit. Okay, children. Next is fire station and a market. Okay, so next important service in our neighborhood is a fire station. Have you ever seen a fire brigade? Yes, you might have seen on the road. A fire station, what is that? A fire station, it is a large building where fire engines, you can see here fire engine is there in the picture. So these are kept, fire engines are kept in that large building, and there are many firemen who are on duty day and night. Okay, when a fire breaks out in any part of our neighborhood, the firemen are always ready to fight with that fire. What does that fireman do for us? When a fire breaks out, we give a call to the fire station to inform about the fire. The fire brigade, as soon as they get the information of the fire, they immediately rushes to the places which has got fire, and that the firemen start fighting the fire with what they use. They use water using hoses and high ladders. Okay, and soon they put out the fire. And children, firemen always take their lives on risk. They risk their lives when they put out a fire. It's very risky, but they do this favor for us. They do a very useful work. Okay, next is market. What is a market? It is a large place where many shops are there. We can buy all different articles, all different products in one place only. Okay, we buy vegetables, fruits, fish, meat, clothes, footwear, anything, sweets, biscuits, milk, butter, whatever we want at one place, that is a market. So market is very important service in our neighborhood. Okay, it has a number of shops, and that shops sell different articles of our daily use. We must learn to buy things very wisely. And children, most of the markets, as usual, they are closed on Sundays. Okay, so we have revised that 4 useful services. And in bigger cities also, you will see there are supermarkets also and cooperative stores. We can buy everything at fair prices in these places. Okay, now children, in villages, what are the useful services? In villages, there are no markets and all, cooperative markets or supermarkets, fire station, no, nothing is there. But what are the services? In villages, there are gram sevaks and gram sevikas. They help the villagers to live a better life, and they teach them to be clean and tidy. Gram sevak teach them how to grow better crops by new methods of farming, and gram sevika is there who teaches the village women to look after their homes and children. Okay, so they are called the true friends of the villagers. So we have revised these chapters, some other useful services. Let's move to the question and answer. Answer in brief. Question number 1. Why do we need markets in our neighborhood? Children, why do we need market? Just now I have revised all the answers. Just you have to find out. I am discussing with you. Just note it down. Why do we need markets in our neighborhood? We need markets in our neighborhood because it is an important service. We can buy things that we need for our daily use from the market. The main advantage of the market is that they are near our house. We don't have to go to different places for different goods. This saves our time and money. Understood, children? Okay, next move to question number 2. How does a policeman help us? It's very easy, children. How does a policeman help us? The policeman helps us a lot. He protects us and catch robbers who steal our things. He protects us and catch robbers who steal our things. He protects us from the bad characters. He also controls the traffic on road. They maintain law and order. The police are for our safety. Next question, question number 3. What does the fireman do for us? Answer is, when there is a fire, we call a fire station about the fire. The fire brigade rushes to the place to put off the fire. The fireman start fighting the fire with long water pipes and high ladders. They do a very useful work to save life of people and their property by risking their own lives. So understood, children? What does the fireman do for us? When there is a fire, we call a fire station about the fire. The fire brigade rushes to the place to put off the fire, and the firemen start fighting the fire with long water pipes and high ladders. They do a very useful work to save life of people and their property by risking their own lives. Next, question number 4. What does a Gram Sevak teach the village men? Answer is, a Gram Sevak goes to the field with men and shows them how to grow better crops by new methods of farming. Okay, a Gram Sevak goes to the field with the village men and shows them how to grow better crops by new methods of farming. Number 5. What does a Gram Sevika teach the village women? Answer is, the Gram Sevika teaches the village women how to look after their homes and children. They are the true friends of the villagers. All the villagers respect them and give them a lots of love. Okay, children? What does a gram sevika teach the village women? Understood the answer? So now we will move to next part, that is answer the following questions. Question number 1. What is a market? Children, what is a market? Yes, everyone can write. Listen properly. Answer is, a market is a place where people can buy things of daily use. It has many shops in which different kinds of goods are sold. Okay. Question number 2. What is a fire station? Answer is, a fire station is a large building where the fire engines are kept and where firemen are on duty day and night. Okay, a fire station is a large building where the fire engines are kept and where firemen are on duty day and night. Question number 3. Where are the sick people taken? Very simple answer, children. Everyone knows this answer, but I am giving you the answer. Listen properly and write it down. The sick people are taken to the hospital where the doctors examine the patients and give them medicines, and the nurses look after the patients. The sick people are taken to the hospital where the doctors examine the patients and give them medicines, and the nurses look after the patients. Question number 4. Who are called indoor patients? Children, who are called indoor patients? Answer is, indoor patients are the patients who need to be hospitalized for treatment. Okay. Next is question number 5. Who are called outdoor patients? Outdoor patients, children? Outdoor patients are the patients who is not hospitalized overnight but who visits a hospital or a clinic for their treatment or diagnosis. Okay, children? Question number 6. Where are serious patients kept? Where are serious patients kept? Serious patients are kept in an intensive care unit. Next question is, where do we go for shopping? Very simple, children. Everyone knows this answer very well. I have to tell this answer? No, na? Okay, but write down. We go to the market for shopping. Answer is we go to the market for shopping. Question number 8. Who puts out fire? The fire brigade puts out fire. So, I've given you all the answers. Next, move to short answers. As usual, you have to write one word answer over here. So, I am not giving the answers of these questions. You will write by yourself. It's very easy, children. Question number 1. Name 3 things we buy from the market. Name 3 things we buy from the market. Question number 2. Who works at the traffic signal? Just now, when I was revising, I explained to you, I gave this answer. Who works at the traffic signal? Question number 3. Name a place where patients go for their treatment. Okay, children, name a place where patients go for their treatment. You can write yes. Okay. Question number 4. Write the 3 main sections of hospital. Write the 3 main sections of hospital. I explained you, children. In explanation part, you will get all the answers. It's not necessary you will get it in the book, but in my explanation part, you will get all the answers. Okay, children? Question number 5. Write the full form of ICU. Write the full form of ICU. Next is, who helped the people to live a better life in villages? Who helped the people to live a better life in villages? Here you will write the both names who helped the villagers to live a better life. Okay, children? Next question is, what does firemen use to fight the fire? What they use, you have to write the name of that equipment when they fight with the fire. Okay. Next is, say, think and write. This question, children, you can write in your book. In page number 52, question number 1 is there. You can write over there. One is, in a market we dash. You have to complete the sentence. Here it is not a fill in the blanks. It is complete the sentence. You have to complete the full sentence. Not with the single word, but you have to write the full sentence. In a market we dash. Number 2, a policeman helps dash. Complete it. Question number 3, a fire station is dash. That is, complete the full sentence. Question number 4, The sick people are taken dash. That means you will write the full sentence. The sick people are taken where? Number 5. The doctor examines dash. Examines whom and what they do afterwards. Okay, you will complete it in this way. Next is in your book only, they in page number 52 you will see question number 2. Say yes or no, that is true or false. You will complete that also. Number 1 is a market has a number of shops. You will write yes or no. Number 2, the policeman does not protect the people from bad characters. Question number 3, the firemen risk their lives when they put out fire. Number 4, indoor patients go home after getting the medicines. Number 5, in bigger cities we have supermarkets and cooperative stores. So here you will complete the yes or no, whether it is true or false. So children, I have given you all the question answer. So we have revised also some other useful services, that is a service that is an action which a person does for someone else. Okay, so we have completed and we have learned, at last we have learned that our neighborhood provides us different services like post offices, schools, police station, etc. And areas, what is neighborhood? What are called neighborhood? Areas which surrounds our houses, that are called neighborhood, and we must take care of our neighborhood, and our neighborhood must be clean. We must not throw garbage here and there. We must throw garbage in the dustbin to keep our neighborhood neat and clean. So what we have done: markets, fire station, police station and hospital. Again I am saying, market, which is a place from where there are number of shops which sells different articles of our daily use. We can say it is a one-stop shop because all the items are available under one roof. Okay, we get a more choice to buy our things. We don't have to go here and there for buying, which saves our time as well as our money. Okay, police station, if we suppose we have lost something, we have to inform immediately to the police. So we should not get fear of police men because they are for our safety. Okay children, fire station also, they do a very useful work by taking their life at risk. And hospital, doctors gives us medicine for our treatments. We get cured over there. They take a very good care of the patients. So complete your work children. I'll check after the school reopens. Thank you.